In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a gift card with Apple Pay. By the end, you'll feel confident purchasing a gift card quickly and securely right from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Before we start, make sure Apple Pay is already set up on your device and that the retailer you've chosen accepts Apple Pay at checkout. Begin by opening a gift card website in your browser or launching a retailer's app. A stable internet connection helps ensure the process is smooth. If you already have an account with that retailer, signing in can make it easier to track your order later, though it's not required for every store. Next, choose the gift card you want. Many retailers offer both digital gift cards, which arrive by email, and physical gift cards, which arrive by mail. Take a moment to confirm the gift card works in your region and check any purchase conditions, like minimum amounts or brand restrictions. This is also a good time to decide whether you want a general purpose card or a store-specific one. Select the gift card amount. You'll typically see preset amounts and sometimes a custom option. Make sure the currency and quantity are correct. If this is a digital gift for someone else, some sites let you add the recipient's email and a short message at this stage. Add the gift card to your cart. Before moving on, review any personalization details, the delivery method, and the delivery time frame. For physical cards, verify the shipping address. For digital cards, double-check the recipient email so the card arrives without delays. Go to checkout. Here, you'll see a summary of your order, including taxes, fees, and estimated delivery. If anything looks off, this is your chance to make quick edits. Select Apple Pay as the payment method. Look for the Apple Pay button or option. When the Apple Pay sheet appears, confirm the card you want to use and review the billing and shipping information shown there. Confirm payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Hold your device as prompted and keep it steady until you see the checkmark or confirmation. For privacy and security, only authenticate when you're ready to complete the purchase. Complete the purchase and wait for the confirmation screen. Avoid closing the app or browser until you see that your order has been placed successfully. Finally, receive the gift card by email or mail. Digital cards usually arrive within minutes, so check your inbox and spam folder. Physical cards will ship according to the retailer's timeline, often with a tracking link. Keep your order confirmation handy in case you need support. And that's it. Simple, fast, and secure with Apple Pay.